What's up, YouTube? It's Pure Gaming, and I got my brother here filming. He's gonna be filming for about a couple videos here. This video here is about if you have an Xbox 360 Pro. One of the biggest problems for these Pros is the disk drive. Pretty much, I think it's the gears that will get kind of worn out or whatnot, and you'll have trouble, opening the disk drive. It'll stay shut, it'll get stuck and won't open. But I'm making this video because I can help you guys out with that. This is a video about how to manually open up your disk drive. The two things you only need is, well, first, your Xbox, of course. Second is a paper clip. Pretty much, you gotta, get it straightened. Pretty much about that length would be good. Then you gotta get the top of your faceplate, or however you take off your faceplate, doesn't really matter, and take your faceplate off. Now there's gonna be three holes. One, it's gonna be under the disk drive. There's gonna be 1, 2, and 3. Never go for this third one. I don't know why people say go for that third one. It's stupid. It's either the first or second, I think, depending on what model. But on this model, it's a 2010, I think. Let's see. Yeah, 2010 model. There's a 2010, and so on 2010 models, they're the second hole. So take it in there, jam it in, take it out, and then jam it in again, and then there you go. I'll do it one more time for you guys. Jam it in. You should hear a little click sound, and then you want to take it out, and then jam it in one more time, and then there you go. And you're good. That's about it, guys. Peace on out.